dear AVN students. My name is Simran Verma. As we all know, the world is suffering from pandemic called COVID-19, but this should not stop us from learning and fighting. Today our topic is we are going to learn mathematics. So let's just get into the video. My dear friends, I know you know counting and also know the numbers, but I think revising is too good. So let us count and then we'll have peep towards the numbers. Let us do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 2 and 1, 21. 2 and 2, 22. 2 and 3, 23. 2 and 4, 24. 2 and 5, 25. Clap for yourself. Children, now we'll see the numbers and again revise it. I hope you don't mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 10. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. 2 and 0, 20. 2 and 1, 21. 2 and 2, 22. 2 and 3, 23. 2 and 4, 24. Last but not the least, 2 and 5, 25. So my dear friends, after counting numbers, we will jump through the next thing. That is counting reverse numbers. Will you do with me? Let's just do that. We'll count reverse counting from 10 to 1. So, count with me. I'll wait for you to do so. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Very good. Now after doing this, we will just play a game. Are you going to play with me? Get ready. My little champs, get ready for the game. Are you? Are you excited to play? Yes, we are just going to play. Wait for a minute. So, my dear friends, see what I am having for you. I am having few tomatoes. We just need to count and you have to let me know how much are these. Will you let me know? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes, 5 tomatoes, and 6. How much did you count? 6. Yes or no? Yes, very good children. These are 6 tomatoes. Now let me see what is the second thing for you. Student surprise for you. I'm having grapes. Are these your favorite? Mine is the damn favorite. So, here are bunches of grapes. You have to count how much bunch are there. I think, oh, huge bunch. 1 and 2. How much did you count? 2. Yes, very good. There are 2 bunches of grapes in it. Clap for yourself. Very good, my chums. So here I present you the second game. Are you enjoying it? I hope you are enjoying it because I am enjoying your company. So let's do that. So children, here I have 2 bowls. In this bowl, I am having small what? Small marbles to play with. Now what you have to do in this? There are many marbles in it, but you have to take only 5 marbles from this. Count with me and put into this. Let's do. Yes, we'll do. I'm just going to put it, keep it here. I know it's not visible, but it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have I put exactly? No, I don't think so. How much did I tell? I told you to put it 5. But how much I have put? I have put 6. I will just remove 1. And now these are 5 marbles in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, now clap